Hi guys, welcome back to CryptoJobs YouTube channel. We have a massive gem breakout alert on our radar today, and the ticker is ARC from the project Reactor.ai, which we believe is extremely undervalued and has been on my long-term list for a while now. Looking at the daily chart, we're seeing some seriously bullish signals, including a clear bull breakout candle, a strong bull divergence on the RSI, and a double bottom that's forming right at a reversal wedge structure. All these technical indicators point to a potential pump of 300% plus from the current price of around 0.0040, with the upper main resistance sitting 70% higher in the 0.00700 to 0.00720 range. The team behind this project can be found at their website, arc.ai, and I think you'll want to keep a close eye on this one over the next few weeks. Remember to do your own research, and if you're looking for a great exchange to trade on, make sure to join my copy trading on BingX, the best exchange to trade on. I also have a free VIP Telegram channel with no paid fees, just free magic calls, so come join us there as well. Bye, see you in next one.